Check out this little lobby here. This is neat. We're here at 2801 Camino Del Rio South in San Diego, California. There's a little TV up there. I think that's a camera. This is a neat building. And it looks like we have a neat elevator too to ride. It's an Otis. Got a slap on mod. How about that? Series 1. Neat classic leveling. Look at this building. It's so cool. Yeah, that's not good. I'm not gonna try to open that. Beautiful. Despite it being a slap on mod, it's not too bad. Definitely was originally an Otis, very similar cab to one of the other buildings I filmed. Right, no one on one. No door close button, a clear indication of a slap on mod. Alright, there goes, and that'll be it.